How to delete Discord account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Discord app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Now head towards the option of account. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom you can find the option of delete account. Click on it. In order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership of all servers that you own. Click on OK. Now click on the Discord icon given at the bottom left corner. Now at the left corner you will find all of your server. Head towards each of the server and then click on the three dots. Click on the option settings. Scroll down, head towards the option of members. From this page you can easily transfer ownership of the server. In the case you don't want to transfer ownership of the server, you can delete it as well. For that, head back. Scroll up. Open this option overview. Now scroll down. Click on the option delete server. Click on yes. After you delete all the server or transfer ownership of all of your server, head to the profile icon. Click on account. Now scroll down and click on the option delete account. Now you can type in your password over here and click on the option of OK. With that, your account will be deleted. So this is how you can easily delete your Discord account. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.